Inquiries in aid of legislation, I move to cite Mr. Diskaya in contempt. I so move.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I object, Mr. Chair.
Can you state for the record first the basis for the violation?
Kanina, Mr. Chair, on record at in line dun sa questioning ni Representative De Lima, meron ng mga initial na mga binanggit si Mr. Diskaya. Kesyo merong papangalanan, tapos biglang atras, nagre-request ng executive session, tapos biglang atras, at seemingly nililito niya na itong committing ito sa pag-uncover ng katotohanan at paiwas na doon sa mga line of questioning na binabanggit ni Representative De Lima. So paano naman tayo magpo-proceed kung gano'n na consciously nililito ni Mr. Diskaya ang committing ito patungkol dito sa listahan ng mga sangkot ng mga politiko sa mga maanumalya at ghost flood control project. And in line with that, in Section 11, letter C, refusal to answer any relevant inquiry. So, I still move.
Mr. Chair, with the kind indulgence of Congressman Eli,
I objected, Mr. Chair. If I could just explain.
There is an objection first by Congressman Flores. Can you state your objection?
Yes, Mr. Chair. I understand the frustration of Congressman Eli, Mr. Chair. But I also understand the fact that the witness has been trying to explain and answer the questions thrown by Congresswoman De Lima. And there might be some confusion as to the Tagalog words used in the affidavit. I'm Bisaya also, Mr. Chair, and that could also happen to me. No? But the point is that he has not been evasive, Mr. Chair. He has been answering the questions, and the questions, the answers he might have been giving might be not to our liking and may frustrate us further, but he has still been answering, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, very quick manifestation. Mr. Chair, before we go on a vote, kasi merong objection, linawin lang po natin. Yung pong umaayaw sa contempt, hindi po ibig sabihin nun ay naniniwala tayo in toto sa mga sinasabi ni Diskaya. Posibleng meron siyang selective amnesia. However, it might send wrong signals sa iba pa nating resource person. With that, Mr. Chair, there was a motion, duly objected. I move that the chair...
Wait, excuse me. It hasn't been seconded. Is there a second for this?
Mr. Chair, can I be recognized for a while?
Yes, Congressman Abante. But it has
I just would like to request,
yes,
Congressman Eli, if we can defer the motion for a while so we can continue on with the questioning. I-defer muna. Pwede ba? Oh, can I request? Can I request Congressman Eli to defer the motion for a while so we can continue with the questioning?
I think Congressman San Fernando wants the
Let's just
vote
proceed
to
with the division of the House.
Okay,
Mr.
it's
Chair.
okay, but is there a second already? I do not hear a second. There is no second. Motion is lost. All right. Well, before giving it to Congressman Abante, I think it's very important to talk about the affidavit of Mr. Diskaya because this is the basis of his statement. But before anything else, I think the people are looking at the notarization of the affidavit itself. It appears to be a bit incomplete. Is this correct? Because the PTR of the person who notarized the document is a PTR only for 2024. What year is it today? It is 2025. Can the lawyer of who assisted you in making this affidavit? Mr. Diskaya, can you respond? Sino po ang tumulong sa inyo na gawin ang affidavit na ito?
Yung ano ko po, bali yung...
Abogado niyo po?
Opo.
Siya po ba yung abogado sa likod, na nasa likod?
Hindi po, bali ano ko lang po, legal
ibang
counsel
abogado.
po. Opo.
So gusto ko lang hulinawin na bagamat ito po ay subscribed and sworn affidavit, actually si Congressman Mark Santos ang nagbanggit po sa akin ito, ang PTR license ng abogado na nag-notarize po nito ay PTR Attorney Reynaldo Segobiense. PTR number 2469726-1 at 104-2024. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito ay this is an expired notarization. Hindi ba? Hindi ba ito, ang tawag ng mga abogado po rito, mere scrap of paper. Hindi ba? Hindi ba dapat recent yung mga dokumento ng mga notaryo pong pinagnotaryohan nito?
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Diskaya.
just a short...
Congressman Santos, please proceed.
Yes, you've mentioned my name regarding that. I'd just like to ask Mr. Diskaya, nagpunta po ba kayo doon sa notaryo nung ito ay Mr. Chair, nagpunta po ba si Mr. Diskaya doon sa notary public nung ito ay ginawa ang kanyang sworn affidavit, Mr. Chair?
Please respond. Thank you.
Yes po, Your Honor. May picture taking pa nga po kami sa office niya.
May picture taking. Mr. Chair, paki-submit lang po yung picture taking nila at kung kailan po yung picture taking nila ginawa sa notaryo. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
It's okay, but I think that has been raised already. Pero bago ko po ibigay kay Congressman Abante, yung pong pagtatanong, kailangan ho maglinaw lang dito sa ilang mga particular na detalye sa inyo pong salaysay. Nagbanggit ho kayo ng mga kongresista, hindi ho ba? Sa inyo pong salaysay?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano po yung batayan? Bakit nyo po sila binanggit?
Ang batayan po, Your Honor, is yung nakatransaction ko po sila ng personal at yung iba naman po ay yung kanilang mga tao po.
Ibig sabihin po ay kaya ho nyo sila nakakausap, meron po tayong pinag-usapang proyekto. Tama po ba ito?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, if I may. Mr. Chair, regarding the PTR po, kung wala pong PTR, ang notary, it can be argued that the affidavit is a mere scrap of paper. Since kailangan magbayad ka muna ng professional tax bago ka makapag-exercise ng profession mo. Mr. Chair.
Tama po. Thank you for the information, Congressman Santos. But again,
However, Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair.
where is the chair?
Yes,
Congressman
just
Suntay, please.
For clarity, even if it is not notarized, we have asked the witness to swear. So whatever he is testifying on is already sworn because we have asked him to swear. So it's immaterial if it is notarized o kung valid yung notary because we asked him to swear.
Mr. Chair, if I may,
Right,
because
thank
that's a sworn
Mr. Chair, can
statement
we
po sa
call
Senate
for...
po.
Inquiries in aid of legislation, I move to cite Mr. Diskaya in contempt. I so move.
Mr. Chair, I object, Mr. Chair.
Can you state for the record first the basis for the violation?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest hot news of the press.